Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imani. If you guys are new here, it's been a minute since I posted. I feel like I say that in every video. I'm like, I'm gonna come back. I'll be trying, okay? I'll be trying. But it's actually been a while since I did a sit down type of video. You know, I've been into more of like vlogging content, but I'm gonna start switching it up for you guys. I don't know when I will have a decent schedule when it comes to YouTube, but I'm gonna just post when I have the time, okay? So today's video is actually kind of a highly requested video, kind of not. If you guys don't know, I'm actually an owner of a cosmetic beauty brand called Autumn Creations. I'll leave the shop link down in the description. But I'm pretty much all about my business, like nothing else right now. And I go on live, TikTok live to be exact, to interact with my customers, pack orders, whatever I'm doing. And I always get questions about like my skin. And if I'm on Instagram, like my personal Instagram, here and there, I'll get DMs like, what do you use for your skin? Any tips? This and the third. So I've always gotten questions about my skin when it looks its best. So yeah, I was just wanting to do a video. My skin has come a long way. It has its ups, it has its downs. It's not perfect. It's hard out here, especially if you have textured skin. If you know, you know. I have oily skin, which I think I don't anymore. I mean, I do to a certain extent, but I don't. And then my skin can be sensitive too. Yeah, so today I'm gonna go in depth of my full morning routine and my full night routine. You guys might be seeing this before or after my TikTok video. I kind of just did like an overview. I don't think I have anything else to say. Let's just get right into the video. And yeah, let me help you guys get that glowy skin for the summer, okay? Boom. Welcome to my morning skincare routine. We're just gonna hop right in and start off with step one, which is my cleanser. The cleanser I'm using is from a small business called Lady J by Raven, and this is her Be Gentle cleanser, which I've only been using for about 2 weeks now, so I will keep you guys updated. But the one I normally use was and still is sold out on her website, but I will link it as well as everything else used in this video down below. So every time I cleanse my face, I always double cleanse to ensure that I'm removing everything from the surface. Some people use 2 different cleansers when using this method, but I have sensitive skin and keeping it simple is just what's best for me. They just mad, stay, get you Scorpio, it's your sign, girl, it's so fine, that I would do whatever in no time, no shot, it's what you coming with, but I'ma change all that, rearrange that, put you in the brains all black, with the rims to match, phone attached, TVs in the back, how you gon' say no to that, mom? Niggas look at me like, man, here you go, really about to blow some dope. After I double cleanse, I'm going to go in with my niacinamide brightening toner from Good Molecules on a cotton pad and wipe everywhere I just cleansed, but also behind my ears and neck. Something I've noticed when using toners consistently is that you start to see little to no dirt on your cotton pad. I don't know what the science or anything behind that is, but I've seen so much change adding toners into my routine. I'm trying to show you like somebody that you should be living. Oh, baby, 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 never go wrong if you let me hold you. Now moving on to my serums. I only use 2 and they're both from Good Molecules. We have the discoloration serum and the niacinamide serum, which I just started using because it's supposed to help with texture. But before I ran out, I was using their hyaluronic acid serum and I loved it. After my serums, I always moisturize, so I'm going in with my Kayomi serum from another small business called Beyond the Skin. And for all my people with oily skin, you know anything with too much oil just clogs your pores, it feels like, but not with this one. It's honestly super lightweight, and as you can see, I need a restock. Next up is sunscreen, and if you still do not have any SPF in your skincare routine, I honestly don't know why, but hey, do you? The one I'm using is from the Black Girl Sunscreen brand, and I add a very small amount because a little does go a long way without leaving that white cast, but also because of the simple fact that I already have other products on my face. Second to last step in my routine is 100%, maybe even 1000% optional, but I just love how refreshing it feels on my skin after my whole routine. This is a thermal spring water from Avene, and again, it is optional but feels amazing on the face. Lastly, I go ahead and apply a lip gloss from my brand Autumn Creations. Both glosses are from our Hello Fall collection, but the one I chose is sold on its own as well and is apple butter flavored. If you do want to check us out and shop, make sure to use code GLOWY at checkout so I know you came from the YouTube fam. And that is it for my morning skincare routine. Doesn't make sense now. Welcome to my night skincare routine. This routine is pretty much the same process, just with a few different products. So just like my morning routine, we're going to start off with my cleanser. The cleanser I'm using is again from Lady J by Raven, but this one is her Sea Musk cleanser, which I've also only been using for about 2 weeks now, so I will keep you guys updated. With it being nighttime, I really emphasize on the double cleansing method because I've been out all day usually, or sweating, moving around, probably touching my face when I'm not supposed to. So no matter if it's night or day, I am always going to double cleanse. Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. After I double cleanse, I'm going to go in with my glycolic exfoliating toner from Good Molecules on a cotton pad and wiping everywhere I just cleansed, making sure I also get behind my ears and neck. A lot of Good Molecules products are created to fade or help with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, texture, etc. And with me being consistent for a few months, not a few weeks, because these people be so unrealistic. But anyways, I've noticed drastic change just because of consistency, lots of water, and sunlight. Now moving on to my serums. I use the same serums for my morning routine, and they're both from Good Molecules. We have the discoloration serum that helps with fading those dark spots, and the niacinamide serum that is supposed to help with texture and minimizing your pores. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. After my serums, I always moisturize. I'm going to go in with the CeraVe Healing Ointment. It's normally the same texture as Vaseline, but since it's been hot, it's more on the liquidy side. I believe this method is called slugging, but I'm not too sure. With the consistency being a bit thicker, I prefer to use this at night rather than the oil and just really slather that on. Next up is not sunscreen, at least not in my routine. I'm just gonna again use my thermal spring water to end off my routine because it just feels that good and refreshing. Still optional, of course, but I do recommend giving it a try. And lastly, I go ahead and apply a lip oil from my brand Autumn Creations. The lip oil I'm applying, named Wednesday, is currently sold out, but it is one of our top products and lychee flavored. Again, if you do want to check us out and shop, make sure to use code GLOWY at checkout so I know you came from the YouTube fam. And that is it for my night skincare routine. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys are going to be purchasing anything. If you guys shop with any of the small businesses, let them know that your girl sent you. Also, if you guys have any like other suggestions, especially if you have oily skin or textured skin, let me know. Okay, like let's chat in the comments down below. Let's interact a little bit more on this channel. I know I'm not consistent as I should be, but I need the motivation. I need you guys to let me know that y'all really want YouTube content. Like, you know, I really don't do much, but I will do what I can to entertain you guys up here. So with that being said, make sure you guys follow me on all of my socials, especially my business account, because that's where I'm most active. Like, I'm grinding when it comes to my business, okay? Like, if I'm being honest, I rarely post on my main account. I rarely post on my freaking fitness account anymore because I'm going to burn boot camp right now, which is a whole different story. We have a lot of catching up to do, so I might do like a little Q&A or something. But all right, you guys, I think that's it. All right, I'm gonna end the video here because if I don't, I'm just gonna keep repeating myself. I'll see you guys in my next video.